Calabria, Italy, February 13, 2026. Calabria is once again assessing the damage after a new wave of severe weather that has hit the Cosenza area and the Sibari Plain in particular in recent days. Persistent rain, strong winds, and swollen rivers have created a complex situation, with widespread flooding and numerous rescue operations. The flooding of the Crati River, fueled by the rains of the last few hours, has caused serious flooding in the municipalities of Tarsia and Santa Sofia di Epiro.
Guardate che onde. E questo è il lungomare Andrea Doria, guardate, siamo nei pressi di Carusi, il mare proprio arriva sulle case.
Several videos show fields and farms submerged in mud, with homes surrounded by water, as rescuers work through the night and into the early hours of the morning to bring people to safety. The situation is particularly critical in the countryside of Tarsia, where the river has burst its banks in at least 2 places and invaded homes, photovoltaic parks, stables, and agricultural land. Firefighters, forestry carabinieri, civil protection and volunteers intervened on site, committed to securing people and homes and saving the trapped animals. The flood wave has caused flooding in the countryside and floodplains between Cassano allo Ionio, Curigliano Rossano, and several districts of the Sibari Plain, where hundreds of people have been evacuated as a precaution. Agricultural fields, roads, and warehouses have been submerged, while high levels of vigilance remain in the low-lying areas of the basin.
È esondato il fiume, abbiamo tutta l'azienda praticamente paralizzata, abbiamo l'acqua dappertutto. Dateci.
Further aggravating the situation were the intense winds and very rough seas along the Calabrian coast. Gusts reached 130 kilometers per hour in some places, as in San Lorenzo in the Reggio Calabria area, where a 500-year-old elm tree was felled. The sustained wave action slowed the flow of water into the sea, contributing to high levels of the Crati River precisely during the most critical hours.
Quello che resta di quei pannelli che sono vicino all'incrocio, una cosa impressionante. Però...
The rainfall figures clearly illustrate the scale of the event. Between February 10th and 13th, exceptional accumulations were recorded in the Cosenza hinterland. Approximately 290 mm in Montalto Uffigo, 266 mm in Foscaldo, and over 260 mm in Sant'Agata di Asaro. Domenico also recorded very high amounts, with over 245 mm, Belsito with approximately 243 mm, and Soveria Manelli around 240 mm. In many locations, this represented amounts equivalent to several months' worth of rain concentrated in just a few days, placing severe pressure on the drainage network. Despite the disruption and damage to agricultural activities and local infrastructure, the emergency management has reduced the risks to the population thanks to preventive evacuations and constant monitoring by the Civil Protection Department and local authorities. The situation remains delicate. Further rain is expected in the coming days due to the persistence of severe weather patterns over the Mediterranean, which is why the entire region remains under high alert.